if the lights on the front of your Shark vacuum cleaner are flashing and your brush isn't turning, fear not, I'm here to help, and we're going to sort this out today in a matter of seconds. There's no tools required and anyone can sort this problem out. Now this is an unusual problem. If you have a different issue, like this light is flashing red or the lights aren't coming on at all, then please see the link in the description or in the top corner, and that will take you to a playlist where you can see all the different floor tool problems. So why are the lights flashing on this one? Well, it's ever so simple. It's because this top cover isn't closed properly. Go to your floor tool now, make sure these corners are pressed down properly, it'll click into position, try vacuuming again, and everything will be fine. How easy was that? Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, so you'll never know when you may need me again. This is the link to the playlist that I've just been talking about, which will run through anything possible that will go wrong with your floor tool.